Hey, welcome back to huffdaddybbq's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking the pulled pork that I made from a previous video and turning it into a wonderful recipe of a cornbread, green onion, and cheddar cheese waffle covered in the pulled pork, and then a maple syrup and horseradish glaze. It is great because it's savory, it's sweet, it's got the umami flavor. I think you're really going to like it. Alright, so first we're going to make the waffle. It's going to come straight from a cornbread muffin box. I mean, why complicate this? You could certainly use flour, cornmeal, make it yourself. Hey, I like Jiffy, don't you? So we're going to use a box of Jiffy, and we're going to make the batter according to the instructions on the box. So you're going to need 1 egg, a 1/3 cup of milk, and your cornbread muffin mix. I'm using buttermilk just because I like the flavor. It's got a little twang to it, but you can certainly use regular milk, skim milk, anything you want in place of the liquid. All right, so you've got 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix. I'm gonna add 1 egg. 1/3 cup of buttermilk. And mix it up. If the mix is a little bit thick, you can go ahead and add some more liquid to it. All right, there you go. Now to this, we're gonna add some green onions. That's the green and most of the white. And about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Mix it up. Like so. All right, you got your waffle batter here. Really what you want is just the consistency of a waffle batter. If it's not quite thin enough, then definitely take it, thin it out with a little bit of milk, buttermilk, whatever you want to do. Then you're going to take, of course, your waffle iron, get it nice and hot. When it's ready to go, spray it down and add the mix. All right, while your waffle's cooking, we're gonna get the maple syrup with horseradish sauce ready. You want the best maple syrup you can afford. I like authentic, all natural maple syrup, but if you have Aunt Jemima, you have Miss Buttersworth, that's completely fine too. Want about 1/2 cup maple syrup. And then you're gonna want horseradish. All right, the waffles are ready. Look good. Take this one out here, put it down on the plate. All right, cover it with some pulled pork. Make sure you get some of that bark on there. That's the best part, right? All right, and then we're gonna take the horseradish and maple syrup glaze. And put some on top. Cover it with a little bit more cheddar cheese. And a few more green onions. And there you have it. It's a buttermilk, green onion, and cheddar cheese waffle with pulled pork and maple horseradish syrup.